Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka ke Lasdang ha ke atpenyo tereng mentau benai leber arja kat kendai. Ha kani ke Dorbar nak keleng Chief Executive Member jong ke JHADC uba Thombor Siwan. Ula puli ya ke jing penkre nak benta ke jing lu jing sep jong ke District Council kumjo ke jing yo Pisa. Ka Mang Tyngka nak benta usnem arja kat kendai arja arpo. Kat kum ke jing penkre jong ke Executive Committee ke jing penlun kanlong Sispa Andrew Pupra Klur Andrew Penyolak Lai Penyo Hajar San Spa Tyngka. Bat nakani ke jingyo Pisa ke District Council kanlong Sispa Sapu Praklur Andrew Penyo Lak Saupwe Hajar Arspa Tyngka. Kabapan iya ke jing Duna ke Pisa nak Mang Tyngka kaban kot kat kendai point kendai Klur Tyngka.
Beliau with the Executive Committee we sustain total amount of areas based in all officers and staff of the council, including pensioner from the period of January 2017 to December 2017. Ka cuba pada ini wah area berasa dua ayam dari staff officers yang berada di council ini mandau bagi atau katbi Klur para sekolah desa ini mandau amount bahwa dia boleh depending salary bagi dalam sah atau house jadi angka dari staff yang di luar yang juga cacat sehingga kami punya yang real dan supplemen persen dengan Executive Committee ni ini kita buku yang dah dan mau lagi juga Executive Committee lagi wah penuh banyak antara dia juga betul yang area besar yang staff ini haruskan ada banyak untuk kuat dan target dari Executive Committee dia dari staff
yang di official staff atau beliau yang juga amount bertaksa pengendalian yang Executive Committee dari dipakai mereka for position Tyngka dan yang for the floor for the one Executive Committee dan dua yang position dan minta di official staff dua yang position kamera sofa persen nuklear. Bagi minta yang di members dua serta persen nuklear. Pada ini kan ada position Klur yang kalau lagi kawan kelima di kuliah yang jadi
jika dia buat adalah ini the Executive Committee is to state what is the fund balance of the District Council fund as on 28 February 2019 dan juga pada EAD pada balance of the District Council ini atau as of 28 February 2019 dan Klur nyapa hajar di kau nyapa. Nah hari ini isi pur di mana dah bilang pun shares di major minerals, shares yang ada minor minerals, mana dua orang yang tax and vehicles. Wah ini mulai switch pur mulai pur entity yang mulai moyong. Telepon ini di dulu bertahap ke jalan berusui role yang pur. Wah, aku jika ni Executive Committee kat ni, agak jika yang council ni, yang we council ni, kat one, aduk ini assembly berada, aduk ini berada. Kat one, nami yok, ni share hak yang in council dengan minor, atau major, atau yang berkat seperti ini. Wow.
Jadi sekian, ya ka share kepada yang budaya ini kenal in detail jadi share budaya ini tak ada yang bersetir emas ada tu bersetir emas ada kata ada kesan emas yang ada di mandi kami negara minor dia ikan ukur di Paula apa jasa sepasan politika hak atau terima ada kakra banyak santri nomor ada kakra beliau ispapu lima rula yang pelajar sepaha nanti ada kakra terpulih ada kakende yoi Klur sobat pendela sejak sepasan politika jadi kebijakan yoi nak setri mas yang kakra itu kasan terima ada kakende mana kami akhirnya dari pokos yang ada kakra di yoi kasus Klur kundi hijau kanya tiga nanti hak apa terus disembar ada kakra di yoi apa Klur rupanya ulah kundi hijau aspa rawasuka ke hak ni ke naslu ke share ke yoi ke minor editor yang ke MC election ketika dia perlu pada data MC but ini berlaku kalau dia minor bangsa dan tahun arja kanya ramah ko secikru suruh pendela cija cispa sanbukan media kebalan lebita yang sudah arja katra arja katende yang kini ke ending yang kini financial year yang kata pas mas yang ada katende hadur ni wagi istiq bermen persekian ni kena sekarang ke share dah tahu yo dari negara istiq pendidikan ni dapat ni bata kuat yo yang exactly ke share tahu yo pok ketika persekian.
Will the Executive Committee please to state how many non-tribal commercial vehicles without a valid trading license have been detected at both the checkpoint at Mugundur and Umpiang set up by the agent appointed by the Council for the purpose from the period 1st September 2018 till 28 February 2019. Kejing bab dia, roman ko, aduh kata shock. Wah, apa kani ketian di, iwa kayian transporter dian, NB hadu arja sansba prabhawnya. Ini yulet dian. Wah, ini ke supplementary, mungkin ini wah, katwan develop fine, the fine council ya di negatif kali detect hari ini di San Benai.
Apa kasih kalau Klur dah respat kami, itu Duna stres juga itu pakai bumi. Jadi kalau kita boleh bisa stop lagi, patutnya naik pamit ini. Kamu biru, warna yang pakai membuat ini itu usul itu fine. Jadi kalau bumi boleh fine bumi.
The question yang bahwa so will the Executive Committee be pleased to state how many non-tribal employees service license has been issued by the Council in the period of 1st September 2018 to 28 February 2019. Jadi the answer boleh ini to yang kawasan tadi di non-tribal employee service license kita dah issue for ini. Terkuah waktu kamu itu hingga hilang tidak mampu tidak itu issue hilang. Terap begini di terbun mau bukan memang dah tim bukan yang license for correction for design ini. Hingga polisi di mekanisme bahwa Executive Committee ini wah detect begini jiwa kira bukan ya beli service license dan ke polisi baru ini kamu pergi kentrai dicek begitu ini kalau muslim wow bu ila satu nanti kita
Pak yang staff boleh cek tentang kan restriction yang berlaku karena mobil detect ini non travel dan polis kemudian punya license ini yang pertama dalam cek ini kok ini pun boleh ini dalam sendiri the single one committee now to carry but the department of care will hire staff to take the non-travel employees from MPS and HCC program.
I rise to present before the House the estimate, receipt and expenditure of the Joint Health and Nutrition Council for the ensuing fiscal year 2019-20, which are to be credited to or is to be made from the district court of this district council as laid down in Rule 29 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Council, Constitution of District Council Rules 1951, as adopted and amended by this District Council. At the outset, before the House presents the proposed budget, I would like to mention that this being the first session of this newly constituted council for after the general election held on the 27th of May 2019. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the members of the House for being elected as members of this district council. Budget estimate for the ensuing financial year 2019-20 where an estimated receipt of rupees 148 crore 67 lakh 47,200 only, as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 168 crore 67 lakh 37,500 only, thus reflecting a deficit of rupees 19.99 crore only. It may be recalled that the current financial year budget bear a deficit of rupees 21.68 crore due to provision for clearing of area pay of employees and other administrative liabilities. But due to paucity of fund, the area liabilities could not be cleared, so the same liabilities have to be carried over to the next financial year. With respect to the revenue receipt, it may be mentioned that the major revenue receipt of this council is from share of royalty on major minerals. But due to ban and mining of gold, the receipt is in the current financial year 2018-19 comes down to rupees 42.89 crore compared to the receipt of the 48.12 crore in 2017-18. Similarly, a receipt on the share of royalty on minor mineral has come down to rupees 11.85 crore as compared to rupees 29.48 crore in 2017 and 18. Similarly, our receipt from trading by the tribal corruptional tax has drastically decreased as may be seen from the budget estimate. In order to augment the revenue receipt of the council, the skill committee has undertaken this following steps. 1. Pursuing the enhancement of the ratio of appointment of the share of royalty on major mineral with the government from the existing ratio of 25% for district council to 75% for the government to the ratio of 50-50 share, and similarly on share of royalty on minor mineral for the existing 40-60 to 50-50 share. 2. Pursuing the amendment of the Joint Autonomous District Village and Town Administration Act 1974, pertaining building permission in area outside the jurisdiction of municipality. 3. Pursuing the prior approval of the governor, the division of Jhadc Autonomous District, Group 3, First Amendment Rules 2018, which have not been revised since 1984. Regarding receipt and financial assistance from the government, it may be mentioned that during the current financial year, rupees 8 lakh has been received from land reform scheme, rupees 15.98 lakhs from forest development scheme, but no financial assistance is received for enforcement machinery, education, agriculture, market, and judicial. Executive Committee is pursuing for the extension of this grant aid to this district council by the government. As for the development scheme is concerned, this district council during the year 2017-18 received an amount of rupees 10.74 crore from the central government as central assistance grant for area not included in Part 9 and 9A to the Constitution, where most of the development work are under progress. The Duna exemption of rupees 6.36 crore is provided under grant number 8, government grant. The Executive Committee is pursuing with government for releasing of grant to complete the construction of the Jhadc. Okay. The principle here is to cut up our wood according to our growth. Coming to the achievement, I'd like to mention as follows. Submission of annual account of the council to the accountant general, Meghalaya Shillong, has been lying area for 12 years, from the year 2005 to 2006, and since then, the finance department has put all our effort and working tirelessly to pull up the areas in submission of annual account of the council. During the year 2018-19, the finance department completed preparation and submission of 3 years annual account of the council, that is for the years 2011-12 and 12-13 and 13-14 to the accountant general, Meghalaya Shillong. Thus, the department could achieve in preparation and submission of annual account for 9 years from 2005 to 2014 during last year. After submission of annual account, the audit of the account of the council by the principal accountant general, Meghalaya Shillong, has completed up to the year 2011. During the year 2019-20, it would be the duty of the finance department to prepare and submit 4-year annual account of the council, that is for the year 2014-15 to the year 17-18 to the accountant general with the view to attain the position almost up to date. Regarding cash book, since the bifurcation of cash section into 2 separate sets, namely receipt set and payment set, the cash book in both the sets are properly maintained and closed daily.
Haba Pai Part Check Jingye Deputy Chairman Jongka Yeng Dorbar Jongka Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council Kabalalong Haka Arpnyotarek I Mentau Benai Leber UMDC Kamukla Wa Ejer Constituency Uba Ailat Boy Ula Japsok Yegani Kesuki Klem Dadan Kajingye Tunjuk Bor Nakaseng Kongres Kabadan Hakaliang Persya.
In connection with this, the Secretary, this Council have received yesterday before noon 2 nomination papers filed in the name of Sri Island MDC. The first nomination paper was proposed by Sri Avery
Desa Deloitte, MDC, and seconded by Sri Saran Paswat, MDC. The second nomination paper of Sri Arab Boy was proposed by Sri Rajstar Chunang, MDC, and seconded by Sri J.C. Suya, MDC. And as there are no other candidate members filed for the post of deputy chairman except Sri Aida Boy, so I declare that Sri Aida Boy is elected on the post as deputy chairman of Jhadc. Now I call upon Sri Aida Boy to come forward and occupy the chair of deputy chairman. Now I call any member who would like to take part in the felicitation of deputy chairman. Untuk didiksinya dokumen, pro itu ketika izin yang deputy chairman akan menuju wa mandu izin wa man terus. Dan kami bawa yang kita kan ini om madu dulu mobil dan madu dulu el jenis korak ini membar yang kita harus tahu. Boleh terjemahkan. Dapat dijelaskan lebih terjemahan jasa. Ini dijelaskan dan ini dijelaskan bahwa Hari ketika jumlah dari atas harus berdiri kemudian perubahan pada pelayanan di session yang dilakukan tuan.